Ladies and gentlemen, the recipient of the 44th Annual AFI Life Achievement Award, John Williams.
Though you may not know him by name, you certainly know his music. John Williams is one of Hollywood's most prolific film composers, having scored many successful franchises, including the Star Wars saga and the Indiana Jones films.
Without his music, Superman's powers are greatly diminished.
Williams is often credited with composing iconic theme songs and adding a layer of depth to dramatic sequences.
I could have become one more person. And I didn't. I didn't.
But occasionally he misses the mark. Here are 7 times John Williams ruined the moment with a French horn blast.
On Thursday morning, Chief, I bumped into a friend of mine, Herbie Robinson from Cleveland. Well, he'd been bitten in half below the waist.
I am your father.
No. It's not true. That's impossible.
Search your feelings. You know it to be true.
You're implying that a group composed entirely of female animals will breed?
No, I'm simply saying that life finds a way.
No. There is another sky.
Taxi!
Come. Stay.